a repair company in Delray Beach in the Oriole Plaza. You know where Glitz is? That's where he is. He's the #1 guy in Valencia Falls, my community, to fix computers. And he, very high marks. A lot of people have brought work to him, and 1 or 2 people had a problem, but 1,000 didn't. He's never 100%, you know, and the problem wasn't much of a problem. So he's consented to he was going to talk on speeding up your computers, and he's just going to talk, no projector, no anything.
Yeah.
Okay? And while he's doing that, thank you.
All right.
Hello everyone, my name is Murji. I'm from AUM Computers. We do computer work in our shop. We have a shop in Oriole Plaza, as Mr. Sam stated. I'm here to help you speed up your computer. If you have heard some of these steps, please forgive me, but I'm sure some people haven't heard. So I'll try to make it quick. It's a small group. I don't want you to go to sleep. If I see anyone yawning, I'll change the topic, okay? All right. The reason I couldn't project is classic problem we all face, and I didn't expect this, but I have a really good small laptop. It doesn't have a VGA port built in. Most new laptops have an HDMI port, and we're using a VGA projector, so I'm stuck with a laptop that's useless right now. So I'll try to give you all the details I can from the presentation that I have here. Okay, what makes our computer very slow? If you have any questions while I'm talking, please feel free to ask. Just raise your hand and I'll give you a chance, okay? Alright, so here's what happens with computers. As time goes by, when you buy the computer is fast. Everything is working good, no problems. 3-6 months or a year down the road, you realize your computer's gotten slower. Why and what's causing it to be slow? So we're going to talk about that. Some of the major slowdowns on your computer have to do with software and sometimes hardware. We have a good example and I'll mention that later on. But let's focus on the software first. Why does the software cause your computer to slow down? Very simple. There's a lot of advertisement programs out there. We refer to them as adware, bloatware, crackware, malware, spyware. All these ware on your computer affect your computer negatively. How do they affect your computer negatively? Well, number one, they slow you down from browsing the internet or doing your work. You're typing something and something pops up right in the middle of the screen, takes your attention away from what you're doing, distracting you, therefore slowing you down. But it's also slowing your computer down. Your computer is actively fighting and processing all this information on a regular basis. Some of the pop-ups and advertisements you get on your computer are because, unfortunately, I hate to say this, but because you install them. Knowingly or not knowingly, you install these programs and therefore led to the problem. How do we go about resolving this problem? There's 2 ways. There's a paid way and a free way. The free way is you can download there's a lot of programs out there, but I don't want to give you the website because I'm worried that when I give you the website name, you're going to go to the website, maybe end up at the wrong site and download another junkware and cause another problem. That's one of the ways of getting all these bad programs. You go to a bad site, you think it's good, you don't know. It looks good, but you don't realize you're downloading a bad program and causing your computer to slow down. But there are programs. If you go to my website is aumcomputers.net. We link these programs to directly where you're supposed to go to. Therefore, you don't have to go looking for these programs. All the programs I'm going to talk about will be listed on our website. AUM, as in Mary, computers with an S, .net. AUM, computers.net. If you're not able to get to it, I'll just give you my phone number to the office. It's 561-880-5678. 880-5678. Sometimes you have a problem with your computer, you can't get online, so the website is useless. Just pick up your phone and give us a call. Alright, so all these programs slow your computer down. I'm going to mention a few names. if you're going to search for it, make sure you search for it at the right places. Don't go to websites that may create more problems. Some of the programs include C Cleaner. C as in Charlie, cleaner. Okay, that's one good free program. It not only takes out temporary